Hello! Can you hear me? How are you tonight? Hello there, sir, and how are you today?
There are fucking boobs on here. They're double D's.
Boobs! I like boobs! Hello there, madam. And how are you today? My name's Barry the Bird. You're high. You're high. That's what's happening. Bye. What is this? This is you on drugs, my friend. On drugs. Hi, it's very cool. And how are you today? That's good. Now you're not masturbating, are you? I'm good. My name's Barry the fucking Bird. What's yours? Don't worry, I've got Tourette's. Hello, Julia. Or is it Julia? Which one? You just said yes. Are you high? Are you alive? Ah, that'll explain it. Anyway, I have to go bother some more people. Have a nice day, Julia. Bye. Well, she was nice and friendly, even if I couldn't see what she looked like. You today?
I am good. How are you today, Mr. Birdie?
I'm not too bad. My name's Barry the fucking Bird, and your name is?
My name is Ryder, the fucking human.
That's cool. Do you want to hear my new song?
Oh, definitely. Let's hear it.
It's like this. Why, all the penises on fucking Omegle. I'm sick of all the penises. Why do they keep coming out? Oh, put it away. No one wants to see that today. I'm so sick of seeing penises on Omegle.
Yeah, I agree, bro. I agree.
Oh yeah, there's far too many of them.
Yeah, you're like, you don't even have a shirt on or pants on, dude. Like, what the hell? Do it.
Oh shit, I'm so sorry, man. I'm so very sorry.
It's all your fault, man.
It's not my fault, it's this dickhead next to me. Anyway, you have a good night, mate.
Alright, you too, dude. Peace out.
Bye.
I thought to the bird, not the dude next. Fuck that, dude. Just.
Yeah, he's an arse. Asshole. Okay. Hello, madam, and how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm not too bad. My name's Barry the fucking Bird. What's your name?
My name is Holly.
Hello, Holly. Do you want to hear my new song?
I do indeed.
It goes like this. Why, all the penises on Omega all the fucking time? I'm sick and tired of the penises on fucking Omega all the time.
Wait, stop. Can I ask you a question?
Go for it.
Can you please take your hand out of the puppet and come on camera?
He just shook his head and said no.
Why?
He's shy.
Tell him I'll do anything.
Fucking get on the camera, you dickhead.
Please.
He won't.
Why not? Is he too embarrassed if he's got his hand up a puppet?
He doesn't mind having his hand up a puppet. He's just not very good looking.
I'm sure he is good looking. No boy is not good looking.
No, really, I can see him. He is.
I can hear you laughing.
I'm not laughing. You are.
The man is laughing.
Would you stop fucking laughing, you idiot?
Just put him on camera.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I don't know why.
If you don't know why, I won't do it.
Okay, the reason why is because I want to see him. I have problems. Tell him, even if he is ugly, that I won't leave him. Okay?
Okay, but you've got to close your eyes.
Well then I can't see him if I'm closing my eyes.
Exactly.
Tell him I promise. Okay?
Don't be fucking ignorant.
There you go. You're telling yourself not to be ignorant. Get your fucking ass
No, I'm not. I'm telling him to be a. You're a friend. Fuck. Fuck. Sorry, I've got Tourette's.
What's your name again?
Barry the Bird.
I thought it was Barry the fucking bird.
Well, I don't want to swear too much. Kids are on here.
Can you please turn your head and tell the man? Come on camera. Tell him please.
Okay, as long as you say hello.
Hello.
I'm on YouTube.
I'm on YouTube. That's not funny. Am I actually on YouTube? Are you being serious?
I look up the Omegle Crow. The video will go on tomorrow.
The Omega Crow.
Aye.
Am I still on YouTube now saying this?
Yes.
Oh,
Unfortunately, so's that ugly bastard over there. Oh.
oh my, you better not actually put it on YouTube.
Why?
Because I see so many Omega things on YouTube and now I'm going to film one.
Exactly.
The Omega Crow, yeah?
Yes.
Barry the fucking bird.
Barry the fucking bird. I'm not an asshole. He's an asshole for sticking his hand up my ass.
You like it?
I never said that.
Yes, you would not be complaining. Yes, you would be complaining.
You bastard. I will fucking kill you.
You're gonna
Not you. Him.
Barry the bird.
Yes.
Yes, I hate you. And you with your puppeteer thing. You. Can I see you talk?
Okay.
Not you. No, yeah, you. That's a man.
Why? Do you just want to hear my real voice?
No, I can just imagine him putting those funny faces trying to make your accent.
So, do you want me to tell him to come on the camera and do my voice? Or his voice?
Yeah.
Alright. Will you? I don't know, will I? Ah, you fucking will. Hello there, and how are you today?
You sound like Shrek.
But I'm not.
Okay, now. Now say it. Now talk in your normal voice.
With the puppet?
No, yeah, with the puppet.
Okay. Yep.
Hey, Holly is amazing.
Holly is amazing.
Is that your actual voice?
No, this is. No, actually, this is my real voice. Can you tell where I'm from?
You're from England somewhere.
Yep.
I think. Where? Are you from Scotland?
I am.
Yeah. I can tell because you sound like Chef.
He's not.
He is Scottish.
Nope.
Chef is Scottish.
No. Shrek's Scottish. He isn't. I am.
Same person.
No, we're not.
Yeah, you are.
No, we're not.
Turn around and look at your ass and tell me there isn't his hand up your ass.
What the fuck? You dirty bastard. Anyway, you've been brilliant, Holly. And we are going to go now. Bye bye.
Everyone get some more for YouTube. I hate you so much.
Oh there, sir. I like your t-shirt.
Thanks, man.
Do you want to hear my new song?
Go for it.
Why all the penises on Omegle tonight? I don't want to see them, all those penises all night. Was that okay? It's also true.
You Scottish?
Aye.
Is that a fake accent?
I don't do fake. I'm real.
Where are you from?
Scotland.
No, in Scotland.
Edinburgh.
I've been to Glasgow before.
Glasgow is kind of cold. Anyway, my name's Barry the Bird. What's yours?
I got a bit
I like that man, he's funny. Hello there! Thank you very much. Why haven't you got a face? No. No. Yes. Yes. No. Barry the fucking bird. Bye. Oh, that's nice. Hello there. Is that your real face? Okay, bye. Jerking your penis, that's what you're doing right now. I can tell you're a dirty boy. Hello. Where's your face? That works every time. Hello, sir. And how are you today? My name's Barry the fucking bird. What's yours? Bye then. Hello. Hello.
Wow.
Where's your face?
Beautiful. That's just beautiful.
Where's your face? Hello there, gentlemen.
L'enfant toujours relu pareil. Pas toujours l'enfant, puis c'est toujours entre le. L'enfant, vous aurez.
I don't understand.
I'm kidding you.
Ah, funny. Ha ha. I'm Barry the bird. How are you today?
Cool, man. How about you?
I'm not bad. I'm just sick of seeing all the penises.
Yeah. We are too.
I like your beard.
I need a big too.
I have a beard. Beard.
Ah, like beer?
Yes.
Like it?
Yes. Rub it for me. Ooh. Just hold on. Nearly done. Oh, yeah. Oh, and I'm done. Do you two like YouTube?
What?
Do you like YouTube?
Yeah, we love it.
Wave to the camera and say hello.
Hello. Hello.
I'm on YouTube.
I'm on YouTube.
Yes, you are. Have a nice night, lads.
Thank you, dude. You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello there. My name's Barry the fucking bird. Hello there, madam, and how are you tonight? What? Hello, sir, and how are you tonight? Hi. I said maybe you're gonna be the one to change me. Hello there, sir, and how are you today? I'm not bad. My name's Barry the fucking Bird. What's your name? Hello, Doug. Do you want to hear my new song? It goes like this. Bear with me. Why, all the penises on Omegle tonight? I'm sick of all of them. They can go in her shite. What do you think? Is it okay? Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. And exactly how many penises have you seen tonight? Oh, me too. It's not nice, is it? Listen, have you ever heard of the Omegle Crow? The Omegle Crow. CROW. Do you like YouTube? Well, say hello, my name's Doug, and I'm on YouTube. Wait a second. Is somebody happy? It is. So tomorrow, look out for the Omegle Crow on YouTube. And that's where I'm gonna be. He's my friend, so be nice. Okay, Doug, it's been lovely meeting you. Have a nice night. Bye. What a lovely young man. You don't meet many of them nowadays. Hello, sir. And how are you tonight? Whoa, 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 whoa. Why don't you listen? These are the random words that we are singing. How are you tonight, sir? My name's Barry the fucking Bird. What's yours? That's a funny name. That's a funny name. Your name. You. You. Do you want to hear my new song? I hate all the penises on Omegle I see tonight. Why? All the penises on Omegle, it should go and shite. Do you like YouTube? Well, say hello. Say hello. I'm on YouTube. Yeah. Tomorrow, look out for the Omegle Crow. That's where I'll be. He's my friend, so be nice to him. Omegle Crow. CROW. Well, you've been fantastic, and I will see you later. Bye. What a nice guy. Hello there, sir, and how are you today? My name's Barry the fucking Bird. What's yours? I'm not cute. I'm rugged. Bye.